you like, it's like me. Yeah. Perfect.
Make sure when we get back to my house.
Okay, so let me explain a little bit. So Kenny hit me up that he was in town and was looking to kick it and ideally get some portraits done, some more informal stuff that he could use for media and promo stuff. So gladly I accepted, especially since I hadn't seen him in a while, but wasn't necessarily sure exactly what he wanted for photos. But I figure he's a pretty great model and has a good eye for that type of aesthetic and photography himself. About an hour before he was getting to our house, he actually texted me, asked if these 3 other guys could come, and I said, sure, why not? Once they got here, I actually figured out that I knew one of them from Instagram. We had been talking for a while about shooting a project with Kenny, and then another guy actually owns a production company that one of my good friends from college works for quite frequently. So once we'd kind of all touched base and gotten to know each other, we started shooting and got that as a final product, which you just saw. Additionally, after we had shot at our house, the guys had kind of parted ways and took Kenny to another location to finish out their rolls and kind of finish up the small video that they wanted to make. We shot on a wide variety of cameras, both still film cameras from my RB67, Mamiya 7, John's Bronica, Parker's Kiev 60. Some of the other guys had some smaller 35mm. So definitely big shout out to those 3 guys, as the video wouldn't have been possible without them. So all of their IGs will be in the description below. They all make really good photo and video work, so make sure you check them out.